Hello, number 7. You are tuned into Ruhani Guidance, and this is your weekly prediction from the 14th of December to the 21st of December 2020. Please take whatever resonates and leave the rest. For personalized readings, please reach to me. My email is mentioned in the description box below. Quickly looking into your weekly energies, you've got the Ace of Pentacles and the Devil. Ace of Pentacles here indicates that you could be starting something new. A new opportunity comes your way. This is something that is going to be fabulously profitable. You could start off opening up your own business. This could be something to do with things that are addictive in nature. You could be using your will and your power in some way to get your means stated. There is a dark side associated to this. There could be some sort of a greed, materialistic greed, illusion. Also, some people could start dealing in drugs or medicines, and acquiring wealth in unlawful manners. I think you should be very careful of what you do in terms of accumulating wealth, because this is something that can backlash at you. So number 7, be very careful of what means you use to accumulate your wealth. I'm not saying that it's wrong 100%, but you need to be reasonably right to have this. On the love front, you've got the Hermit and the High Priestess. Hermit here indicates that you are in your own world. You're trying to figure out things in your own head. However, your partner would want to reconcile with you. They want to collaborate with you, rather compete with you. They could be offering their cup of love to you, but don't see this happening. I also sense that this could be a past life relationship, and the karma that you both are the karmas need to be cut in terms of whatever you are however you interact with each other or whatever you transact with each other. These are the unfulfilled karmas from your last birth. This person is someone who is also using their psychic ability to get in touch with you. This could be in terms of telepathy. This could be in terms of message channelization. They could be using a lot of different mediums to get in touch with you, number 7s, but you are really seeking the truth. You want to know what you should do in terms of this relationship. Also, I think once you find that out, you will start responding to this person who is really struggling to get in touch with you, number 7s. On the work front, you've got the 9 of Pentacles and the Magician. 9 of Pentacles here indicates that you are very close to your success manifestation. Maybe a month or 2 more and you will be where you want to be. You have all the resources that you require to have your success. Use a lot of Mercury power, speak a lot, use a lot of money to transact, and that is something will help you. That is something that will help you obtain whatever you are looking for. Looking at some of the advices we have for you, the one advice we have for you from Romance Angels: past life relationship, you have known each other before. An advice from Sacred Traveler: finding sanctuary, opening to your spiritual source. Open to your spiritual source. Think where you want to be. Meditate. That is something that will give you all the answers you are looking for, number 7s. The lucky number for you this week is black. Find richness from the dark night. The lucky number for you is number 28. I strongly advise you to keep a combination of smoky quartz, amethyst, and the bloodstone. This is something that is going to open your eyes. It's going to open your soul. If you do not have these crystals, please order from Ruhani Guidance. We will energize it and attune it to your energies, and you will see a short difference with this. So number 7s, until I bring you the next reading, you stay home, stay safe, and stay tuned to Ruhani Guidance.